welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I silk pressed or just straighten my natural hair. So right here I'm showing you that I'm using my Silk Essentials just to give my hair a little bit more of a silky, shiny effect when I do it. So here my hair is freshly washed and blow dried. Now I did blow dry my hair about 2 hours before actually filming this video, so my hair did kind of revert a little bit back just because it's a bit moist in the air in my house. So disregard that. I know they say that when you silk press your hair, the better the blow dry, the better the press will be. But as you'll see later on in this video, my hair still came out pretty good in my opinion. This was maybe about the best flat iron that I've had in, I'm gonna say, like a year. This is the best one that I've had so far, and it is mainly due to the fact that I took my time, and also that I have been drinking a lot more water. And I noticed that when I drink more water, my hair tends to not frizz up as much regardless of what hairstyle I have, because my hair is very prone to frizzing up when I go outside or it's humid anywhere. Like, it will take in whatever water it can. But I notice when I drink a lot of water, it doesn't do that. Like, it lets it, be in the style that I want it to be in for quite longer. So always listen to your body, guys. Sometimes you may think that, oh, it's the product that you're using that's causing your hair to frizz or causing your hair not to take in enough moisture during the wash and blow drying process. But sometimes it's just your body telling you that you need something that you're lacking in. So always think about that. I know that some people actually are going a little bit bald, and I would say I'm not a doctor or anything, so don't be taking my word for everything. But I noticed that a lot of people that go bald at younger ages tend to have a vitamin D deficiency. So try taking like a supplement for that if you see that your hair is kind of shedding more often, and tell me if that worked for you. Because when I had my son, his hair, he had a full head of hair, but after a while, he was a breastfed baby. I had to give him vitamin D supplements, but I didn't give them to him in the beginning because I said I didn't want to do that and disrupt the pattern of his sleeping, his eating, because I didn't know how his body would take to the supplement. However, his hair began to fall out, and when I noticed that it was really, really bad, I started giving him vitamin D supplements just to see if that could have been a reason why. And literally, guys, after I started giving him the vitamin D supplement, maybe about 3 weeks later, his hair was already growing in everywhere. At first he had a little kind of a skin fade or a bald fade for a baby because his hair was so fine. So you really couldn't see it if we were outside or something like that. You could only see it if we were inside. So it's kind of okay, something definitely needs to change. But about 3 weeks after starting the vitamins and giving it to him, I believe it was twice a day, his hair started to grow in thicker. Now he has nice, luscious, curly hair. I will show you guys one day on how I actually wash his hair. I wash his hair in the tub like you do normal babies, but enough about that because it's not about him. Excuse me. When I'm flat ironing my hair, what I do is I take my hair into small sections. I start off with the back, and I go in at the bottom of my hair. I straighten my edges, then I go in with another section, and with that section I then comb through it, do the chase method with the flat iron and the comb. Always have the comb at the bottom of the flat iron, not at the top. The reason why it's better to have the comb at the bottom of the flat iron, because you are getting to the ends before the flat iron gets to the ends. And you want to do this because you don't want the flat iron to crush your ends instead of straighten your ends. I find that when I go over my hair without the chase method, my hair does not come out as straight, and also my ends are always looking nasty. Like, you know, if you ever seen a synthetic wig when it's like the end of its life term and it kind of looks like, ew, like why does it look like that? That's kind of like how your ends will look if you don't use the chase method and you need a trim, or like you didn't you didn't blow dry your hair really good to like where your ends are already kind of straight. That right there will leave it looking like that. So always do the chase method with the flat iron chasing the comb. That works way better. So I do that in about medium sections. I don't do it in small sections, mainly because my hair is not really thick and it's also not coarse. I have like in between a 4B, 4C kind of hair texture, and I also have pretty medium like hair. My hair is not on the thick side, but it's not on the thin side either. I mean, you can see how my hair is. You guys leave it in the comment section below. Do you think my hair is thick, or do you think my hair is thin? I think it's kind of like in the middle of the two, because it's very easy to manage for me, or maybe that's just because, you know, I have the patience to deal with my hair. But I think my hair is on the far easier side to manage than, let's say, my twin sister. She has very thick and coarse hair, so it takes her a little bit more time when she's doing her hair than it takes me. But I'm just going in and doing that. Now you will see that in this video I do my roots maybe like 2 or 3 times, and mainly I do that when it looks like I'm touching my roots 3 times maybe, is because I'm trying to get as close as possible to my actual scalp without burning myself. So some of the times I'm not even getting as close, so I go back in a little bit closer, and then I go back in a little bit closer, and it's just like a little press, like, you know what I mean? I'm not really trying to hit it too hard because I don't want to heat damage my hair, and the hair that's coming out of your scalp is one day going to be a part of your ends, and you don't want that part to be damaged already, and it hasn't even gotten to the point where, you know, you can just cut it off. Unless you want to do a buzz cut, totally up to you, but I don't want to do a buzz cut. I love my hair. But if you guys do want to see any other hairstyling videos or natural hair videos, let me know in the comment section below, or DM me, and I'll definitely add it to the 15 days of Shanea calendar. I will be doing 15 videos. Well, I will be doing a video every day until December 15th, which is my birthday, and then that'll be the start of Vlogmas, and it'll only be 10 days of Vlogmas videos. So give me some suggestions on what I should do for the remainder of the 15 days of Shanea, whether it be hair videos, story times, or story times on top of a hair video, like a voiceover with a story time in between. I'll gladly do any of those things for you. And also give me any suggestions for Vlogmas videos, like what kind of activities do you want to see me do, what questions do you guys have, you know, anything like that. If you guys want to see Mason, let me know. That's my son's name. Let me know those things, you know, leave it in the comment section, and I'll gladly follow up, like, respond, anything like that, just give you guys, you know, what you want to see. So excuse me, I'm not gonna keep showing you guys how I do my hair, mainly because it's the same thing over and over again. So if you need help or you need any assistance with parting your hair, just know the parts don't have to be straight. They don't even have to be even, really. Just as long as you know, like how it feels in your hand opposed to other sections feeling in your hand, you'll be fine. Like if you know it's a little bit thicker, then you know you might have to spend a little bit more time on that one section just because it's a bit thicker. If you know that section is thinner, don't spend as much time as you would spend on the thicker one or the regular size one, because you don't want to burn those strands. You get what I'm saying? So just pay attention to your hair, how the flat iron is gliding down your shafts, and also how your hair is responding. So if you go through one section one time and it's still not looking as straight or something like that, maybe that section was a little bit too big for the way that for how long you decided to keep the flat iron on it. So always just pay attention to when you're doing your hair, and have patience, and be, kind of loving to your hair. You know, you could talk to yourself if you like to. I don't talk to myself, but you can talk to yourself and tell yourself, you know, get it together. We need to get this done. We need to get it to look a certain way. And I'm sure you'll get it. You'll get it. Here, I'm showing you guys just the last section that I have. And as you can see, on the left side of my head, my hair was already done. And it was looking great, nice, silky, and bone straight. It was giving what it was supposed to have gave, hunty. So, if you guys want to see how I curl my hair, or if you guys want to see any other styles that I do with straight hair, give me a comment, a like, or you can send it to my DMs if you want me to try any styles, or personally give you any tips on how you can do your hair or manage your hair. Let me know. I will gladly respond. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up as well. And if you stayed to this point in the video, drop a pink heart or a yellow heart. It could be either of the two. Some people don't like pink, but who doesn't like yellow? You know what I mean? So if you stayed this long, you're a real one. I appreciate you for watching this. Drop a comment in the comment section. Remember, a pink heart or a red heart. Not red, I'm sorry. A yellow heart. I don't know where red came from. But everything in this month is going to be about me and my family. So stay tuned over the next 14 days, because it is now the first day of 15 days of Shanea. So stay tuned for the next 14 days to get to know me more, to get to know more about how I do my hair, how I treat my skin, how I treat my body, the things I want to accomplish. And also stay tuned for Vlogmas to see the activities that I have planned for me and Mason throughout this winter period. And also you may see some guest appearances of my siblings, my twin sister perhaps. So stay tuned. Subscribe, share it to your friend, let your friend know that it's about to be a party over here. And I will see you guys in the next video. Enjoy.